Hey there! Today we got an interesting problem to dive into. The issue at hand involves learning how to work with C++ ranges, specifically regarding the usage of std generator. If you're looking to create a custom sequence with a range view object using std generator, you might run into a problem when trying to reuse the object in multiple expressions involving range operations. It seems like a tricky situation, but fear not, as we'll explore a solution together. Now, focusing on the solution, let's talk about how we can tackle this tricky problem. As mentioned earlier, using a generator object more than once is not supported due to its nature as an input range. This means that attempting to copy the object or use it in multiple expressions will lead to errors or undefined behavior. However, there is a workaround that involves using ranges, ref_view, to ensure that both algorithms utilize the same generator object. By applying this technique, you could perform operations such as collecting letters into vectors without encountering issues related to copying the generator object. Continuing with the solution, it's essential to consider an alternative approach that involves manual iteration to achieve the desired outcome. By utilizing iterators and preserving them during the process, you can effectively collect the desired number of letters into separate vectors. This manual handling of the generator object allows you to bypass the limitations of attempting to reuse the object in multiple expressions, ensuring a more controlled and reliable operation. In summary, we've explored a challenging scenario related to working with std generator objects in C++ ranges. While the library's design restricts the reuse of a generator object in multiple expressions, we've discussed viable solutions to address this limitation effectively. By leveraging techniques like ranges, ref_view, and manual iteration, you can navigate through the complexities of handling custom sequences and range operations in C++. I hope you found this journey through C++ ranges insightful. Remember to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Happy coding!